What if I told you there's actually a secret to making $500, $1,000, or even $5,000 a day without selling a single product? Buckle up because I'm about to spill the tea on this secret money-making scheme. The game changer that's turning average Joes into online millionaires. Are you ready to join the party? We're diving deep into the world of CPA marketing. It's the hottest trend in the digital money-making scene, and for good reason. This powerhouse strategy is helping savvy marketers rake in serious cash without the headache of inventory, shipping, or customer service. So let's get this money. Today I'll take you to how to make money with CPA marketing. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our video updates. Plus, it helps us spread the Thrive Wise love to help more people thrive wisely. Now, let's begin. Alright, let's keep it 100. Making money online isn't always the walk in the park that those Instagram gurus make it out to be. When it comes to CPA marketing, there are some real hurdles that can trip you up if you're not prepared. First off, the learning curve can be steeper than a roller coaster drop. You've got to wrap your head around affiliate networks, offer selections, and conversion tracking. It's enough to make your brain do backflips. Then there's the competition. It feels like everyone and their grandma is trying to cash in on CPA marketing these days. Standing out in this crowded space, it's about as easy as finding a needle in a haystack. And let's not forget about the constant changes in the digital landscape. One day you're crushing it, and the next day your killer strategy is as outdated as MySpace. Keeping up with the algorithm updates and market trends can feel like a full-time job in itself. And don't even get me started on the struggle of finding high-converting offers that actually align with your audience. It's like trying to find a perfect match on a dating app. It's frustrating and time-consuming. But here's the thing, despite these challenges, CPA marketing is still one of the most lucrative ways to make money online. So, how do we tackle these obstacles and start raking in the dough? Stick around because I'm about to drop some serious knowledge bombs. Let's start off with step number 1. Choose your niche like you're picking a Tinder date. Listen up. Choosing your niche in CPA marketing is basically like swiping right on Tinder. You gotta be picky, but not too picky. You want to have a niche that's hot, but not so hot that everyone's already sliding into its DMs. Think about it. What gets you more excited than a pizza delivery at 2 a.m.? Well, that's your passion, and that's where you should start. Maybe it's fitness, maybe it's finance, or maybe it's teaching people how to fold fitted sheets. Hey, no judgment here. But here's the tea. Passion alone won't pay the bills. So you need to find the sweet spot between what you love and what's actually making money. You can use tools like Google Trends and SEMrush to see what's popping in the CPA world. Step number 2. Network like a boss at a CPA frat party. Alright, it's time to network like your bank account depends on it. Because it really does. CPA networks are like the cool kids table in the cafeteria of online marketing. You gotta get in with the right crowd to make it rain. First things first, do your homework. Research networks like they're your crush's Instagram. Look for the big players like Max Bounty, AdWork Media, and CPA Lead. But don't sleep on the niche-specific networks. They might be the key to unlocking your money vault. When you're applying to these networks, remember, first impressions matter. Treat your application like it's your Tinder bio. Make it irresistible. Show off your marketing skills, your websites if you have one, and any past successes. If you're a newbie, well, don't sweat it. Just show them that you're ready to hustle harder than a caffeinated squirrel. Also, here's a pro tip. Once you're in, treat your affiliate manager like your new best friend. They're the fairy godmother of CPA. They can hook you up with the best offers and insider tips, so slide into those DMs, professionally of course, and build that relationship. Step number 3. Hunt for offers like their limited edition sneakers. Now we're getting to the good stuff. Hunting for CPA offers is like trying to cop those limited edition Yeezys. You gotta be quick, smart, and willing to put in the work. First up, you need to know your audience better than you know your favorite Netflix show. What do they want? What problems keep them up at night? Once you've got that down, it's time to play matchmaker. Look for offers that solve your audience's problems like a boss. High paying doesn't always mean high converting, so don't just chase the Benjamins. Look for offers with low payout thresholds, reliable tracking, and solid reputation. Then you need to test, and test some more. Try different offers like you're sampling flavors at an ice cream shop. Keep what works, ditch what doesn't, and always be on the lookout for seasonal trends. Christmas, Black Friday, and even National Pizza Day can be gold mines if you play your cards right. Remember, the perfect offer is like your own soulmate. It might take some searching, but when you find it, it will be worth it. So keep swiping right until you find your perfect match. Step number 4. Master traffic like a New York cab driver. Alright, listen up. Driving traffic to your offers is like being a cab driver in New York City. You gotta know all the shortcuts, avoid the jams, and get your passengers, aka potential customers, to their destination fast. Paid traffic is like taking an Uber. It's quick and effective, but it will cost you. Start with platforms like Facebook ads, Google ads, or native ad networks. But remember, you gotta spend money to make money. So be prepared to invest in your success. Organic traffic is more like riding a bike. It's free, but it takes more effort and time. SEO, content marketing, and social media are your best friends here. Create content that's more addictive than TikTok and watch your traffic grow. And don't forget about the power of email marketing. It's like having a teleporter in your marketing toolkit. So build that list, nurture it, and watch your conversation skyrocket. Step number 5. Optimize like your life depends on it. Because your wallet does. Last but not least, it's time to optimize like you're training for the Marketing Olympics. This is where the real magic happens. Track everything like your jealous ex stalking their former flame's Instagram. Use tools like Google Analytics, heat maps, and split testing software to understand what's working and what's flopping harder than a fish out of water. Test different landing pages, add copy, and even button colors. Yes, even something as small as changing your CTA button from blue to red could be the difference between ramen noodles and steak dinners. Now, I know what you're thinking. These steps all sound good, but do they actually work? To find out, let's talk about Charles Ngo, the godfather of CPA marketing. This guy went from being a broke college student to a multi-millionaire, all thanks to CPA marketing. Talk about a glow-up. Charles started his journey in 2008, working out of his parents' basement. He was pulling 16-hour days, learning the ins and outs of CPA marketing like a possessed man. His first big break? A weight loss offer that earned him $300 in a single day. For a guy used to eating ramen noodles, this was like hitting the jackpot. But Charles didn't stop there. He kept refining his strategies, testing new approaches, and scaling what worked. And by 2010, he was consistently making over $10,000 a day. Yes, you heard that right, $10,000 in just a day. The secret to Charles' success was that he mastered all 5 steps we just discussed. He chose the right networks, picked profitable niches, crafted converting landing pages, mastered traffic generation, and obsessively tested and optimized his campaigns. Today, Charles is not just a successful marketer, but also a respected industry leader, speaker, and a mentor. He's living proof that with the right strategy and a whole lot of hustle, CPA marketing can change your life faster than you can say cost per action. All you need to remember is to choose your niche, network like a boss, hunt for offers, master traffic, and optimize like your life depends on it. Master these 5 steps and you'll be well on your way to CPA marketing success. It's not rocket science, but it is a science. Also, what's been your biggest challenge in CPA marketing so far? Share your story below, and who knows, your comment might inspire our next video topic. And well, that's basically how to make money with CPA marketing. And thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And hey, it seems that YouTube thinks that the next video can completely transform your financial situation. Watch it to find out whether they're correct. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos on how to thrive wisely. Till next time.